1. Call the company you bought the tank from to see if they'll replace it. Many propane retailers offer tank exchange programs in which you can bring your empty tank to one of their locations and have it replaced for a small fee. The cost for this type of exchange is usually around $20, which is a terrific price for not having to worry about throwing out the old tank yourself. 2. Take your empty tank to a hazardous waste collection site. Many municipalities will have designated locations where citizens can bring hazardous waste that can't be taken to a normal garbage dump. Contact your local government's sanitation department to find out if there are any hazardous waste collections near you. 3. Bring your propane tank to a refill station to refill it, if possible. If your propane tank is refillable, you can refill it at any propane tank refill station at a cost of around $3 to $4 a gallon. Your propane tank should have a label on it indicating whether or not it's refillable. If you're not sure, bring it to the refill station and ask an attendant if it can be refilled. Chances are it can be. 4. Try taking your tank to a scrap metal yard if you have no other option. If you can't take your empty tank to a waste collection center and you can't refill it, taking it to a scrap metal yard is going to be your best bet. Most scrap yards will take an empty propane tank, but call ahead to make sure your local scrap yard will take yours before you bring it to them.